So you might have seen this tweet, ChatGPT going Erotica probably early next year. So I want to give you guys a preview to that. I have divided this into 3 parts. Part 1 is a scene where a guy sees a girl in a coffee shop and approaches her.
I cannot wait.
Part 2 is where we delve into the future more.
This better be good, Frank.
And part 3, we go deeper into this request.
So how big is this thing?
So let's delve in. Part 1. So at this point, the guy sees the lady. Her name you will know soon and says hi, introducing himself as Creed. And the lovely lady is called Bella. Now let's see if Creed got game.
Oh, yes, I got game.
Alright, trying to break the ice here. One thing is for sure, Creed is not into books. He didn't even say anything about the book. This guy. Asking for a seat. Bella is being polite too. I bet he does not even drink coffee. When does this get interest in Creed?
Just give me a minute.
Not much into books, called it. Bella looks interested though. Looks like Creed is going for it here. Bella keeping the door open for now. Part 2. Okay, so this is getting intense now. Okay, nice. Male model. Alright. What else you gotta offer? Okay, not many women though. Part 3. Alright, so I overrode the code here because I cannot show you guys this part because where it goes from here, it was just out of control. 10 took a life of its own. I hope this at least gives you a sneak peek into how this would all work. We'll catch you soon.